I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Formcraft. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select MailMint. Connect. Next. Choose Actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailMint Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the MailMint. Thanks for watching.